By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what Bitcoin is, how it works, and why it's changing the world of finance. No jargon, no fluff, just the essentials. Let's get started. Bitcoin was created in 2008 by a mysterious figure named Satoshi Nakamoto. It was born during the global financial crisis as a response to broken trust in banks and governments. The idea was simple but revolutionary: a digital currency that doesn't rely on banks, governments, or middlemen. A currency finally controlled by code, not by people. Think of Bitcoin as money for the internet, but with a twist. Unlike a bank or a government, nobody is in charge. Instead, it's run by a huge network of computers all over the world, working together to keep everything honest. Every single Bitcoin transaction is saved on a public list called the blockchain. It's totally transparent. Everyone can see it, and it's so secure that it's nearly impossible to mess with. Bitcoin is created through a process called mining. Miners use powerful computers to solve complex puzzles. When they succeed, they validate transactions and earn new Bitcoins, which also helps to reduce the supply in circulation. Think of it like this: Bitcoin is a lot like gold. There's only a limited amount of it that will ever exist, just 21 million coins. Because it's so scarce and more people want it, its value goes up. That's why some people call it digital gold. Unlike the money you're used to, Bitcoin isn't printed by a government or a central bank. It's not tied to any country, so you can think of it as borderless money. No one can block your transactions, and you can send it anywhere in the world in just a few minutes. Bitcoin is powerful, but it's not perfect. Prices can swing wildly, and it's still an evolving technology. For many, though, it represents something more: freedom and financial independence, the ability to control your own money without a middleman. Making this video took a lot of time, so I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments to help me grow this community. Now that you know what Bitcoin is, how it works, and why it matters, you can subscribe and join the journey.